We're the two best friends that anybody ever had. We're the two best friends that anybody ever had. Wolfgang!
Alright, good morning guys. Back at it again. We have to work on my 240 again. Gonna try and attack the fuel pump, maybe some other things. We'll see as we go. We don't really have that much time right now, so I'm gonna play it by ear. What the hell are you doing? Fucking weirdo. Oh no! Someone stole the green from my truck! What happened? It's all gone! Except for the fogs. Oh no! Dirty work shoes. Is that a slam turbo? Ooh, look at that ride height. Alright, so what is this, like the 10th time we're attacking this fuel pump?
Who knows? Too many times to count.
Let's go check if I even still have it. Shit.
I'm not, you know.
So once you get all this carpet shit out, take off this cover right here with the handy dandy Logan tool.
Too big though. Too big.
Okay.
Isa.
Let's unbox this fuel pump stuffs. So here's the new fuel pump. Dude, we have all kinds of hardware. Dude. Do it.
Where's the
ties?
instructions?
This is all that it came with.
No instructions? What are we, cavemen?
So first we take out that.
And then I'll figure it out.
This looks like it needs something to plug into it. Bango wires that they gave us. Splice it. Use some of these hardwares. I lost it. And we need those little cream stuffs there.
Oh, what if that was my head?
I know, dude.
I could have died just now.
Do you have a stick?
Woo! Get in there nice and deep, boy. Just like that.
How does this fucking come out?
I don't know, just twist them. Twist them, boy.
Okay. It's a peculiar stance there, sir.
Why'd you know? So you can get some grip.
Not some girt, some grip.
So Maui just discovered something that is kind of an epic fail.
Well, I already knew this, which is why it's an epic fail. I'm pretty sure I'm not supposed to be doing a fuel pump with a full tank of gas.
Mm-hmm.
And this.
Mm-hmm. Especially the second one.
Yeah, especially the second one, but the first one for sure.
Because you know, fire gas make big boom.
I don't want to be sticking my hands in a full tank of gas.
Nah, just light it on fire, it'll be good.
Alright, so since the fuel pump was a fail for the 10th time, he's going to try and retrofit
Safety first.
my chair, cut some stuff, maybe later test fit it to the ground. And I'm going to be taking out my OEM chair so we can just get that little test fitment better. I guess it's just a day of a bunch of nothingness, huh?
Happens. It's called prepping.
Whatever. Yeah, Spocom is next weekend. You ready for that, Logan?
Don't you mean this weekend?
Oh, it is this weekend.
Yeah, and I feel sorry for everybody because we're supposed to be hit by a hurricane this weekend. So
Yeah.
good luck to everybody.
All the drifters will have fun.
Oh, of course. But everybody else will get wet.
Yeah.
We're rich now. Look, we're rich.
How much is that?
$350. It's $350
We're going on a date.
for $350.
Hey, are you Portuguese or Portuguese?
Okay, let me explain the difference between Portuguese and Portuguese. The Portuguese used the boat to come over. The Portuguese swam over. Okay, now? And I'm Portuguese, so you know.
He swam.
I swam.
And that's why you don't like the water anymore. Too far.
Too far.
Old chair out. Gonna try and test fit the new chair. He's gonna come back later to cut the hardware that you're using to put the brackets on.
Because we literally have like 10 washers on it just so it has clearance.
Just we need some
And,
spacers.
That's not that safe. You want to be safer.
It's not really passing tech or anything.
Well, I mean, it's not like we're going to be cutting fingers off. At least we'll try not to. Stretch the paint. It's not gonna work.
$5 to become an investor.
Oh man.
You gotta buy brackets.
Stash. It's
Second modification of the day. Fail.
Major fail.
High five. We're on a streak here.
Let's try for 3.
Let's go get the fan.
I don't know. We're not good standing right now.
Let's just see how it fits in the engine bay. Oh, hello.
Think about it.
Come on, man.
I lost my caption.
How's my aftermarket seat? Oh, wow. Damn, that's low. That is some low stuff right there. It's a low rider status. You can lean back all the way back here if I want.
Woo! What is that?
Alright, so we didn't mount it, but we just test fitted my dual electrical fan, ISR electrical fan real quick inside of here. But gotta go get the right hardware for that so I can mount that later. And I don't really have the energy to go through all of that, or the knowledge actually. But I do have stickers, we can get that done today. Starting us off.
Wanna throw it sooner or later?
Hey, look at this, man. Thank you, Eliminates. Dope. I love these guys' channel. If you don't watch these guys, what the hell have you guys been doing with your lives? I only ordered one of these, but they sent me 2. Thank you, guys.
Oh, can I have one?
Fuck yeah, bro, you can have one.
I want to be savage.
You watch Eliminate too. You have the license plate too.
And I have the oil slick in the back.
Oh, nice. I just got mine too. Daisuke, Totemo Daisuke. This one's from Gogo, Team Gogo. So this guy, I got this from Team Gogo. Some of them are from Hawaii. One of them that I follow is Instagram right here. He moved to Japan, living the dream in the motherland, drifting. He has a lot of cool shit on his Instagram. I think he has a YouTube too. So go hit him up. He's also helping the local guys like us.
Like who?
So a lot of the Hawaii people are bringing in imported cars from Japan, and a lot of them are from this guy. So hit him up if you're a local dude, and if you want your dream car, he's one of the guys to go to, man. Deals. I have one more sticker that this guy bought for me. I don't know where the fuck I put it, but I'm gonna go look for it.
Can't believe he lost it. That was like,
It's a
you
sick
still
one
owe me
too.
for it.
Yeah,
You still owe me.
but it's sick. This sticker is just a little mock-up, a draft. One of his sisters had a sticker machine, so he just threw one together. This isn't his logo, but his YouTube and his Instagram is Ride the Flow. At Ride the Flow right here. Go follow his stuff if you want to see some surfing footage of Hawaii. It's really sick, man. His channel's starting to blow up, so do us a favor, like, comment, follow on his page. Mahalos. What?
Oh, what's up?
Do a pull, do a pull. I cannot.
When he downshifted, though, had a fat cloud of smoke.
Wow!
Kind of, whoa, nice cloud of smoke.
Had me peeking out the corner like.
I saw him, I heard a truck, and I saw fucking funny.
We also got the 808 exclusive stickers. Logan has his on his truck. We'll go show you that right now. So here's Logan's 808 exclusive sticker.
I know, someone stole my Team Basic sticker.
So he's trying to figure out where he wants to put his new Savage sticker. What a dick!
Fuck this.
We're not friends.
Right here.
Right next to the Eliminate license plate. Alright, I guess we decided
there. Is that where we're going? Or should I line it up with the stuff? With the thingy? With this? Or go across it, like up here?
Nah, line it up with it. Oh, this dude's such a savage. He only cleaned one spot of his rims.
That's how you do it. The only spot that will be seen.
Pull the trigger, it's down too late. It's on there!
There's no taking it off.
It's so savage!
It looks so stupid, but it's so savage. It looks so fucking stupid. It's on there though.
Oh, nah, fuck him.
Fucking sticker bomb the whole inside.
Just one rim.
All savagery.
Why did you just sticker one rim?
Because I'm savage like that.
And just buy all straight savage stickers. Just one savage wheel.
Different colors.
Supreme left wheel.
Supreme left, savage right. I'll be Supreme savage.
Super ill front right.
Woo! Super ill savage.
Does anybody have sticker bomb wheels?
Nope, I don't think so. I'll be the first.
Not on the island that I know.
Sticker bomb the wheel for no reason.
25 horsepower. These are my bodyboarding sponsors, Aloha Syndicate. Logan, you want one of these?
Center of the wheel.
Hubcap?
Center of cap. Oh.
This is one of the biggest ones that I got from my sponsors. That should cover up the dash cracks, right? That was it for today. We kind of did nothing.
We kind of failed hard.
It was a learning experience.
It was. We learned a lot. That we didn't have the right material.
We learned that we don't have anything we need.
But hey, we found out at least.
Yep.
So
So maybe in a few days we'll have another vlog up with actual shit. But other than that, we're just gonna be kicking it.
Bye.